I have the hybrid ceramic wax, which is uber exciting. So you can see from the bonnet and the fact that the water is still on there, there's completely no protection on here whatsoever. So in true fashion, we are going to be doing a 50-50 on this bonnet. So for initial base coat, so if this is the first time applying the product, you want to stick some product down while the panel's wet. And you're going to get your Supreme drying towel. I'm just going to wipe that down like that. And what this is going to do is just going to put the base layer down for your initial protection. This base layer you're only ever going to do if you're using the product for the first time. So again, a light mist of the product on the panel. So now we've done the base layer and we've done the second coat, all we need to do now is just dry the panel off. So you can instantly see the water's being repelled a lot easier and it's a lot easier to dry the car.
This half we've done, this half we have not. Okay. You can see the difference.